Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Copper to Twilio for text-based lead status updates. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Copper account. Once you're in, navigate to the settings section on the left sidebar. Look for integrations and click on it. Scroll down until you find Twilio in the list of available integrations. Click on Twilio to open the integration settings. Here, you will see an option to connect your Twilio account. You'll need your Twilio account's ID, auth token, and the phone number you want to use for sending messages. Open a new tab in your browser and log into your Twilio console. Locate your account's ID and auth token on the dashboard. Copy the account's ID and auth token. Return to your Copper integration settings. Paste the account's ID and auth token in the respective fields. Next, enter the Twilio phone number you intend to use for sending text messages. After entering the information, click on the Connect button. Wait a moment for Copper to confirm the connection with Twilio. Once connected, you can set up automatic lead status updates. Go back to your Copper dashboard and select a lead. Open the lead details page and look for the updates section. Set specific criteria for when you want updates to be sent via text. Customize the message you want to send for each status update. Save your changes to ensure the updates are enabled. Test the setup by changing the lead status. Confirm that the text message is received on the Twilio phone number. If everything works smoothly, your Copper and Twilio integration is successfully set up. Now, you will receive text notifications on lead status changes in real time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.